Okay. So, tengo que estar como un poco cerquita. Okay. Hi guys. Ay, no, es que me da... Imagínate, César, que ya te vuelvas mi video. Okay. Hi guys. So today I'm going to harvest all of these tomatoes. So there's a lot of tomatoes and a lot of chilies that we're going to harvest. So come on with me. Let's do this. Look at this. There we go. Get all these good tomatoes off the veins. There's lots of them. Okay, we're gonna get these ones. Look at this. They're so good. Okay. Now I'm gonna get these ones from right here. So to get these. Okay. So look at the amount of tomatoes, guys. So many. So good. Look at them. These are some steak tomatoes. Oh, these need to be cut. I want it like mashed for some reason. This. Oh my god, mira. They're hella red. Están rojísimos. Están buenísimos. We're gonna make some good meals with these gorgeous tomatoes. Holy smokes, dude. There's so many. Wow. Let's see. Okay. Then, ooh, are you ready for these ones? These are the humongous. Oh, God. Oh, my God. These are just insane. I can't even get them out. Oh, oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Oh, yeah, Dios mío. That is gorgeous. There is a whole bunch here. Holy smokes. Like, literally. Wow, this one. These are so tender. It got a little bit hurt. Look at this. So good. There's more. Whoa. More. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the joys of watering, cleaning the garden up. Sometimes I drop the ball, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm like, oh shit, I haven't watered for a few days. I better go check up on the garden. But, whoa, look at that. We almost fill up the basket. Oh, a bird was having a feast. We'll cut it up. All right, let's go. Look at this. So big. Oh, I think there's a big one here. Let's see right here. Woo! Shit. Se me cayó. Dropped it. Dropped it. Oh, there's a big one. Look at that. Whoa, shit. I'm dropping the... I'll pick them up in a second. Oh, this one. Ooh, so pretty. So red. These ones you gotta eat right away because they are the skin is super soft. I'm gonna rinse this up. Okay. I washed it now. Now it's good to go. I don't know if there's more here. Let me check. Because I don't want them to go bad. Wow, there's some in here, dude. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa. There's some all the way in here. Let me see. Uh-oh, my hat fell off. Oh, there's some more over here. Whoa. Oh, some more. I want to make sure I get them because they're pretty ripe. So they're gonna go bad if I don't pick them, guys. So if there's any that I find that they're going bad or like the ones that the birds ate, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the seeds out of them for next season. And that's how I save a lot of my seeds. So I don't have to buy seeds because seeds can get expensive for sure. Okay, so now let's pick the chilies. You guys know these are some of my favorite chilies because they're just so beefy. Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put them there. And then we're gonna go right here and get the jalapenos. So when you see the jalapenos have these little lines, it means they're ready and they're going to be very spicy. And I want to harvest, and then right after, what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed my garden with some just plant food, because that is going to help it produce more before the summer is over. And I'm right here in California, so the weather is still very hot. So we get I feel like I will still have production for a few more months, I hope, but so far so good. So these are the jalapenos, and now we're getting into some serranos. So there you go. So let's see here. So collecting these serranos so it could take some weight off the plant and they can flower again. and continue the production. So let me change the water to this section here. This is my habanero plant, but it doesn't have any habanero. I mean, it does, but they're not ready. Okay, so we continue. Look at this. Just look at it. It is so awesome, guys, to collect from your hard work. It's literally like life, you know? Took care of it for months, and now you get the fruits. And guess what? This salsa is going to be tastier than ever because the flavors are different. They are so much better. Whoa, look at this. Holy smokes. Okay, then I'm gonna get this. This is this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm like sweating profusely too because it's hot. But it is not as hot as it has been. So I am very thankful for that. Okay, so we continue with this one. This one. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. And there you go. Now we go here. Look at this. These are just gorgeous. These you can fill them up with some cheese and just literally just grill them. So they're pretty on the healthy side. You can fry them, but I like to grill them for sure. So I'm gonna get like a lot of weight out of these plants because they are wasting energy on keeping all of these. Whoa, they're so pretty. My goodness. Okay, now I'm going to pick this bell pepper and I'm just gonna let it finish. Look at this. What a gorgeous pepper. Muy chulo, mi nene. The Joyce, guys, the Joyce. Then I'm gonna pick this one because same thing, I don't want my plant to continue to have like waste energy on these ones that are already grown. These were a little bit sunburnt, but they're still good. I'm gonna cut what is good from them and eat the part that is good, and everything else I'll just throw away. And actually, I don't even have to throw it away because I give it to my chickens. Move, nasty boy. Move out of the way. Holy smokes, guys. There you go. Then we go right over here and we get some zucchinis. Same thing. You don't want to keep, even though my zucchinis kind of weren't as successful this year, I still get some, and these steamed are going to be delicious. So yeah, and the ones that get older, I just boil them or steam them with a little bit of sugar, and they're super delicious. Super delicious. So yeah, you put this here, that there, and then there are some of these big zucchinis. Holy smokes, dude. Wow, look at this. It is huge. Gorgeous. I think I'm gonna just put them right there for now. This is like maybe the third or fourth time that I cut zucchinis. So they usually produce a lot. Jesus, I'm getting all muddy. It's okay. It is what it is. Let's see. There is some more here. They are pretty. They are pretty. Look at this. This is awesome. Awesome harvest. Awesome. Okay. So now I'm gonna put these right here. Yeah, right there. And I'm gonna cut some of this char right over here, because I think I'm gonna do it like sort of in a soup or something like that. So I'm just gonna take it because same idea. You don't want your plant to waste energy growing leaves that you can already eat. And I had let them grow, some of these bigger ones, for I would say far too long, because I wanted to see how big they could get. But look at this. I could easily throw this in a soup with the veggies that I picked. This I'm gonna just throw it there. Doesn't matter. So you put this back in here. And your basket is getting out of control. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut some of these cheese, because these will give a great flavor to a soup, to a salad, to any dish. So I'm gonna just have some in my kitchen ready to go, so I don't have to like run over here every time I need it some. And so I put it in a little cup with water and it stays really fresh, or I wrap it in paper, in a wet piece of paper, and it stays really fresh as well. So yeah. Maxi boy, you keep on stepping on this, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Look at your ass. You're dirty. You're a dirty mess, Max. You're a dirty mess. Hey, Max. Jesus. I'm gonna rinse that there. Okay. This should be good for now. Good, fresh flavor. And I think that is it for this harvest. What do you guys think? Oh, look at all the results. Hold on, let me take a... Remember, chug the jug. Oh man. Look at this. We did harvest a lot. Until next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Kisses.